Hello guys, welcome back to the Learners Hub Daily platform. Today tuko na very short section hapo, ningeongea at high speeds ningeumia, but yeah, story for another day. So today I will be solving one problem concerning factors. So just going to be quick. So just make sure you follow through. Ukwe keen. So the question is express 1470 and 7056 as products of their prime factors. That is part A. And then we'll come to part B. So what you do is just use the tree method. So 2, 7, 35. So check if it's divisible by 3. Yes. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 5, 15. 3, so it is 2, then 13, 4, then 5. Then divisible by 3, no. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, so not divisible by 3. The next prime number is 5. So next is 5. So that is 4, and then 9. The next one is 7. You all know that 49 is a perfect square of 7. So this is one of the things, so you know, so small, like knowing the squares of head comes in hand. So meaning that 1470 is equals to 2 times 3 times 5 times 7 times 7, which can be simplified as 2 times 3 times 5 times 7 squared. You have one down. Second one, B, second one is 70, 56. So use the tree. So 2 by 70 is 35, 28, so divisible by 2, 35, 1, 17, 14, then 12. So got 6, and then 4, yeah, then 2, 8, 16, 1, 6, 8, then 2, then 2, then 4, 41, and then, so the next prime number is 3. Check if it is divisible by 3. Yes, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So go 1, then 14 will become 4, then 21, then 7. 7 plus 4 plus 1 is 12, so it is still divisible by 3, so 3. 4, then 12 to 27, so it acquire 9. And then 49, 7, 7. So 7056 is equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 7 times 7. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 multiply by itself 4 times 3 multiply by itself 2 times, so that is 3 squared, and then 7 squared. So this is read as 2 power 4 times 3 squared times 7 squared. Then the second part of the question was, hence evaluate 1470 squared over the square root of 7056. So when it comes to indices, tukifika kwa topic ya form 2 indices, there are some rules and regulations. There are like 7 rules that help you maneuver problems with this part. So for this, square means that a number multiplied by itself. So what you do is just 1470 squared means that what you do is you just take this and then you multiply by this statement multiplied by itself. So meaning that you can do a rough work here. So if this is multiplied by itself, itakuwa 2 times 3 times 5 times 7 squared times another one 2 times 3 times 5 times 7 squared. So ukishikanisha 2 zitakuwa mbili, so itakuwa 2 squared times 3 and 3 3 squared times 5 ni mbili 5 squared. So itakuwa the product of 1470 squared times hapa 7 ni mbili, hapa 7 ni mbili, so hapa zitakuwa 7 power 4. Sawa sawa, yeah. So hiyo itakuwa our simpler method of simpler expression of 1470 squared according to this problem statement. So itakuwa 2 squared times 3 squared times 5 squared times 7 power 4 over. So that's took a small working out here, yeah, 70. So 7056 square root means that if you're doing a square root, it means if the index is divisible by 2 na nataka square root, ni kumaanisha what you do is just cut the number by half. So for example, if 9 is equals to 3 times 3, which is equals to 3 squared, so in rough work, and you want the square root of 9, so you all know that the square root of 9 is 3. So meaning that for every two 3's you pick one, meaning that it is just this number divided by 2 to equal 3 power 1. I hope you understand. So that is how we explain square root in layman's language when it comes to factors. Since now tuko kwa high school maths, tutakuwa tunatumia tables of squares, but as we were taught in primary school, hivyo ndio tulikuwa tunafanya. For every two numbers you pick one. So since 2 ni 4, so just like divide by 2 itakuwa 2. So hapa itakuwa 2 squared times for every 2 3's you pick one. Tulikuwa tunafanya primary times 3 times 7. So square root of this equals to this. So itakuwa 2 squared times 3 times 7. So from there tunafanya aje? So simplify, hii inafanana na hii itakuwa 1 1. 3 squared divided by 3 obviously ni 3, and then 7 1 hapa. So since hapa 7 ni 4, so acha tusi confuse, 7 moja imeenda na moja, so hapa zitabaki ngapi? 3. So answer itakuwa 3 times 5 squared times 7 cube. So hapa itakuwa 3 times 3 times 25 ni 75 times 7 cube. So hapa unaweza tumia calc na answer utapata ni 25725. The thing is that ukitumia calc from the start you won't be able to show all this working. Na utapata swali kama hii ni like 3 marks. So they have to for you to get all the marks in the exam, the examiner has to see all these processes. So kama tumia calc na make sure umeandika, umefollow through. Fanya this small na calc, but make sure umeandika for the purposes of passing. Na as long as marking sheet yako ama answer sheet yako inakaa hivi, ama question paper yako umejaza hivi, you are assured of everything. Make sure umeweka hizi zote. Make sure you write every single process, because hiyo ndio kitu inamakiwa. Otherwise na calc hii ni kitu ya dakika moja, you just key in and then you finish. So thanks for listening, and see you in the next episode.